This is how you dump your tank. So over here in the driver's side, you're gonna find a little panel. Go ahead, open these up, twist them, and you should be able to access your draining panel. Now over here, you will have your hose that you just have to grab and pull out. Once you're ready, you just open this up and you won't even get your hands dirty. Everything will drain down. But how would it actually work? First of all, we have to turn our waste pump right here. Once you turn your waste pump, you have to select which tank you want. Remember, gray for the sink, black for the toilet. All you have to do is hit it until you have the red button, and then everything will come out. Once you're done with one tank, just hold it down for about 5 seconds, and that should turn it back off. Now your hose, once you have it pulled out and you need to retract it, all you need to do is just hit this retract. And you're good to go. Now, last part, if you need to wash your dirty tanks, just go ahead and put your inlets of gray tank inlet and your black. This will rinse the tanks out for you for about a minute and two, and you just have to drain that water out. And that will conclude your dirty tank system.